The universal principles of equality and humility. In the tapestry of life, one must never underestimate others, for in the eyes of God, every soul is equal. Similarly, never underestimate yourself, as divine care extends to all. Life's intricate balance is evident when birds feed on ants while alive, only to be devoured by ants once life fades away. This cycle underscores the ever-changing nature of time and destiny, where fate's wheel ceaselessly turns. Emulate the bamboo, firmly rooted yet ever reaching upward, and be like an umbrella offering shelter to fellow travelers. In this interconnected world, extending your hand to lift others might find you lifted in return. Life's journey is long, so never let arrogance cloud your path. Treat others with kindness and respect, for the future is a realm of uncertainty. Your present actions may shape the aid you receive when facing your own challenges. Remember, no life is without struggle, and mocking others is akin to mocking oneself. In this unpredictable voyage, humility guides the way.